How to change phone number in Viber. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to change your phone number on Viber? Then let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open up your Viber app. Then head over to More in the bottom right corner of the screen and then go to Settings. Now head over to Account. There, tap on Change Phone Number. Now you can see that changing your phone number will keep everything as it was, just under a new number. Your chats, communities, stickers, and settings will not be affected. So you can read other instructions, and if you agree with it, hit continue. And then you need to put in your new phone number. However, if you have both a new number and a new device, first back up your data and then change your phone number on your old phone. If you're just changing your phone number, then tap on New Phone Number. And then you can see that all Viber users that have your number saved in their address book will receive a notification that your number has changed. So hit continue. Now, you just need to put in your new phone number and hit continue. And that's it. You just need to verify it by using the OTP code. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.